Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings. This is where the hotspot name is stored. Once in Settings, go to General, then About to confirm your iOS version so you know what options appear. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked with Face ID or passcode because you will edit device name fields. Now tap Name at the top of About. This first actionable step exposes the current device name that doubles as your personal hotspot SSID. You edit the device name directly because the personal hotspot SSID uses that value. Tap the name field to open the keyboard and type a clear, short hotspot name. Avoid emojis or uncommon characters to prevent compatibility issues. Once you finish, tap Done to save the new name. At this stage, the change propagates to your personal hotspot immediately. Devices scanning for networks will see the updated SSID. If you use iCloud, you finish by verifying the new name in Settings Personal Hotspot so you confirm what others will see. If other devices still display the old name, make sure Wi-Fi is off and on again on those devices. Often a simple reboot resolves caching. If problems persist, reboot your iPhone to refresh network services. As a last resort, reset network settings under General Transfer or Reset. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords, so back them up first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.